Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 21, Linear Equations in Two Variables, Section B, Tough. Let's start. On selling a tea set at 5% loss and a lemon set at 15% gain, the crockery seller gains rupees 7. If he sells the tea set at 5% gain and lemon set at 10% gain, he gains rupees 13. Find the actual price of tea set and the lemon set. Basically two conditions are given and you have to satisfy them. So let the original cost of tea set be x and the lemon set equals to y. Condition 1. One tea set is sold at 5% loss. Means what? If 100 rupees, then it's sold at 95. So 0.95x plus and lemon set at 15% profit, 1.15y. How come this 1.15 and 0.95 here? 5% loss means 100 minus 5 and 5% 15% gain means 100 plus 15. This is the actual selling price after the profit and here after the loss. Okay. So 0.95x plus 1.15y equals to selling price, combined selling price of both, right? Okay. Now SP minus CP equals to profit, basic rule of business. So SP minus CP equals to profit. Okay. So 0.95x plus 1.15y, this is the total SP of both, and now find the total CP of both minus x plus y, because x and y. To watch the videos further, kindly download YogaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.